Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amit Singh and I'm a hair transplant surgeon based in Dehradun. Revert Hair Transplant Center is the name of my clinic and I have been doing hair transplants since the last 8 years. Today I'm going to tell you about the PRP procedure, what is PRP and how is it used in hair loss patients. PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. In this technique, we take around 25 to 40 ml of the patient's blood. From that blood, platelets are separated and those concentrated platelets are injected at the level of roots at the multiple locations where hair thinning is present. These platelets which are extracted, they produce growth factors, they decrease the frequency and the amount of hair fall substantially. And the other advantage with PRP is PRP increases the thickness of the hair. The hairs that have become thin, by PRP we can increase the thickness of those hairs. So PRP presently has the best results in terms of decreasing the hair fall as well as increasing the thickness of the hair. The results of a PRP will depend on in what concentration the platelets are being used for PRP. In our clinic, we use the appropriate amount of platelets which can give the best benefit in hair loss patients. We do PRP on regular basis. We do PRP in post-transplant patients also. So, if suppose a patient is experiencing excessive hair fall, he may be a male or a female. PRP benefits in both these patients. In females, PRP has a very good effect, because most of the reasons for hair fall in females are reversible and PRP has a very good effect in reducing the hair fall as well as improving the thickness of the hairs. So if you are planning to get a PRP done, make sure you get it done at a clinic where the proper procedure is performed to get the maximum benefit of the procedure. I will be making more such videos regarding the various treatments, the hair treatments available, which can prevent as well as improve the quality of your hair. And we do hair transplants also in our clinic. We use a technique which is called feather touch technique, which is presently the most advanced technique for hair transplant, which is done worldwide. I hope you will like this video. You will find this video informative. I will be posting more such videos. You kindly prescribe to our channel and you will be getting regular updates regarding various hair treatment procedures. Thank you.